hope you are staying safe and healthy in this wackiest of times. My name is Trent, and I am usually an actor at 24th Street Theater's Enter Stage Right. And just like you, I am staying home and staying safe. Now, I'm gonna be honest. Hasn't been super easy. Okay, I definitely miss all my friends at 24th Street Theater. I miss the audiences at 24th Street Theater, and you just can't do Enter Stage Right at home alone. I'm gonna be honest though, I have tried, and it isn't working out for me. But you know what part I miss most of all? The part where I get to sing in the show. The part where music actually helps tell the story. Did you know that songs can help tell a story? They can help describe what a character's feeling, talk about what they want or what they don't want, or maybe two characters find a way to get along, but it's through song. There's so many other options. And did you actually know we've been using this tool of music to help us tell stories since the ancient Greeks? Heck, maybe even before. There's so many ways we've used singing over the centuries to tell stories. Opera, vaudeville, religious and cultural ceremonies, and even a lot of popular music you may already listen to tells a story. And one of my favorite art forms that use song as story is musical theater. It's like a play where suddenly the character begins singing or even dancing to help the story along. You've probably seen movies like this, but nothing beats seeing a show live in the theater. And the best part is that anyone can sing. It's true. Just ask fellow 24th Street Theater actor Allison Blaze.
Hi, it's Allison Blaze.
Hey, yes.
A 24th Street Enter Stage Right director.
Bada bing. You know
I miss you. How are you doing? Where are you?
I miss you. I'm good. I'm good. You know, I'm just, hunkering down in Louisiana right now, actually.
What?
Time zone. Yeah, we're staying safe. Came here responsibly. Watching a lot of movies, hanging out, getting some sunshine, all the good stuff.
That's amazing, Allison.
Yeah.
Let's sing.
Okay, well, I didn't think that you actually meant like I have to sing.
You're gonna love it.
I highly doubt that.
I'm gonna
love it.
Okay, well, you know what? Why don't we just try a vocal exercise in the form of a song? Oh, what a beautiful morning.
Oh, what a I can't do this.
You're not gonna do this, are you?
I'm not gonna do this.
How about whistling? You love to whistle. Do you know how to whistle?
It's a struggle.
Anyone can whistle. That's what they say. Easy.
I'm not musically inclined whatsoever. It's a real...
I'll be the judge of that. Let's learn to whistle. Do you guys want Allison to whistle? We do.
Yeah.
Okay. Allison, all you got to do is purse your lips like this.
So why sing? And I hear you asking that question right now. I hear you, pal. Well, let me tell you, sometimes words can't quite describe those feelings we feel, like anger or frustration or joy or even love. You know, I just don't think I'm going to be able to explain this. I don't think words are going to do this justice. How about I demonstrate for you? But I'm just going to snag a snack really quick. Trying this new thing where I'm eating every 5 minutes, and it seems to be really working out for me. Just a second.
I think I love you, Ben and Jerry. I never felt this way before, not even about a ppm jelly. I saw you sitting in the back of my freezer with your ravishing label saying a Cherry Garcia. From this moment on, it's just you and me. Ice cream, you make me whole. Whoa, ice cream, your love in a carton or in a bowl. And You erase all the hurt, and I scream for that delicious frozen dessert. Ice cream. I love you, ice cream.
Boy, do I love ice cream. Do you ever eat that first bite of something so delicious and you can't even describe what that taste is, so you just go, oh. It's kind of like singing in a way, don't you think? Anyway, like I said, not all songs are about love or happy or joy. Sometimes musical theater songs can be about the things that are hardest. Sadness, anger, and so let's demonstrate something like that. Find something to do. I'm gonna be honest, I'm having a great day. Nothing bothering me that much in my place here. Oh, okay, I got an idea. Let's go for a bike ride, and I bet you we can find something that's super annoying or angering or something, like a car cutting me off. Oh, that's the worst. I hate when cars do that. And I'm like, I'm a bike here, people. Hello? Oh. What? Hey. Hey. No. What?
I just want to bike outside, but I can't 'cause I broke my ride. Tried to fix the pedal, but it needs a part on the inside. I broke my bike. Oh no. Yes, I broke my bike. No go. Oh no. I've been stuck inside for days, and I'm running out of ways to amuse myself. I even tried to teach singing to one Allison Blaze. I broke my bike. Oh no, I broke my bike. My bike. Oh no go. I broke my bike.
Well, I'm depressed. Maybe let's check in with Allison. Might cheer me up a little bit.
Okay, that was yeah, thank you, Allison.
Not
You
embarrassing
did
at
it. You did it almost, and I'm so grateful for how much you tried. You're just the best. Allison, I got to get back to telling these kids all about music and how it can tell a story.
Yeah,
I
you
miss
do.
ya.
You do. I miss you. I miss you so much.
I can't wait to do Enter Stage Right again.
Yes, sir, baby. Can't wait.
I can't wait for you to direct me.
I can't either. I can't wait to yell at you.
I know. It's my favorite part of the show.
My favorite.
Well, Allison Blaze, you stay safe, and
I
I will
will.
see you very soon.
I will see you soon. Bye.
Allison Blaze, am I right? You know, I think Stephen Sondheim said it best when he said, anyone can whistle, except for Allison Blaze. I'm just kidding, I made up that last part, but he might have meant it. Guys, I feel so much better since that bike fiasco earlier. I love singing. And I wish I could share with you how much joy I get when I make a song or sing with somebody else. You know what? Maybe I can. I got a great idea. Okay, how about I take just the piano parts, not my voice, from the songs I sang earlier, remember about the ice cream and the bike, and I put those in the description of this video. That's right, so you can click on the link and you'll just get the piano track, not me. And then you can come up with your own song. You can come up with your own lyrics, which means the words that you sing in the song. Make it about anything you want. Dinosaurs or trees or that guy that lives next to you that smells weird. Why don't you send them back to us? Send them back to 24th Street Theater, because I think we'd love to see videos of what songs you come up with. Ugh. I love singing. I love storytelling. I love theater. I love musical theater. There's so much I love, and there's so much we can't do right now. But, you know what? We're all gonna be okay. This thing that we're doing right now is going to end. And when it does end, 24th Street Theater and all of us are gonna be there waiting and ready to perform. And I hope you are getting ready to perform too. So make those songs, send them in to us, keep creative, keep having fun, and keep positive.